told him, "We deserve it. It's our right as your family to fight for your life." But in 2024, he was tired of working. As he told The Independent, that was almost 6 years ago, and I feel like I've given them a fair share. Derek Yerman was executed by the Home Correctional Facility.
Sirius XM app.
Chain Break Nation, you're up. The louder you get, the harder he rolls. This is Trucking Sense with host Charles Gracie.
All right, Chain Break Nation. This Road Dog Trucking News Update is brought to you by Creek Carrier. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm Charles Gracie. This is Trucking Sense, and today we're not talking about rates, regulations, or reefer drama. We're talking about vehicles.
There's a freaking turtle in the road.
Oh, that's a turtle?
That's a turtle!
Oh my god. It is a turtle. I see a turtle over there. What the hell?
God!
It's a random ass turtle.
I was about
I was questioning.
Get out of the way, stupid!
there.
No problem.
Give me my phone.
Pull over and stop.
கையில இருந்து ஃபீட் பண்ண கூடாதா? அனிமல்ஸ் பெட் பண்ண கூடாதா? தொட கூடாதா?
ஐயோ.
கிளாஸ் வெங்கி. நான் சொன்னேன். ஆமா கிளாஸ் இல்ல. இல்லையா? உடைஞ்சிருச்சு கிளாஸ்.
குடி.
Left, right, or straight? Desde allá.
What the hell are you doing? Wow. What's this?
Oh, what the?